Hey everyone, Mr. Gray 3IS here, and I'm back with another video. Now, I am at ride height, don't mind that, but today's video is a crazy one. It is a long time coming, and I am so pumped. I got new wheels. Here they are. They are SSR Reiner Type 10S. That means they are the SSR Reiner 3-piece, and the S is a step lip. They do have a protective film on them right now. So these are 19s, and the face on them, since it's a step lip, is 18. Now, if you know me, you know I love my split 5-spokes. So this is like the F-Sport wheel, but in a super clean black chrome finish. So yes, these are black chrome on the face. It's called SBC, super black coating or super black chrome. They are made in Japan. I got these made custom to spec. I have waited about 6.5 months for these. The coating makes it take a little bit longer for the face, and the lips are polished, and the hardware is chrome. As you can tell, these are amazing. I don't know, it's just so weird seeing them in person because I've wanted these for so long. These are my dream wheels. I are unboxed already. I'll insert a little video of me unboxing them. My dad joins about halfway through to experience the unboxing with me. So here you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, another box. I'm so pumped. Wheel care guide. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. I'm unboxing them. You want to see?
Oh, you're here.
Yeah, you want to see? I'm about to unbox it.
Oh, you unboxed it?
Yeah, you want to see?
Son of a gun. Shit. Oh, it's like a star.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're so shiny.
Wow. Nice. Where were these made again?
In Japan. These are the fronts, so these are less wide than the rear. Oh my gosh. And coming back, as you can see, they don't have a center cap or valve stem right now. There is a box that comes in each of these 4 boxes, and it comes with a nice SSR valve stem, 90 degree, and a beautiful SSR center cap. And it's like a metal that is etched from the middle out, and it is 3D. It's so clean. It is so cool. I'm so pumped. And it comes with a little sticker in the box as well, which is cool as always. Now, to complement these very nicely, I got the R40 Iconics racing lug nuts, Japanese lug nuts to go with some nice Japanese wheels. These are in black chrome. I have yet to open these, so let's pop them open real quick. Okay, so I have been staring at these for months, but it's finally time to put them on with the wheels. They come with a nice individual socket and key because they do have a locking nut, which are these guys right there. And they do have this little cap in them, which helps water and debris not get inside. Let's go ahead and pop one of these out, and we can picture how it looks. Black chrome with the floating seat on the black chrome faces. Okay, I tried to, but I'm not gonna put it all the way in because it's just gonna fall right in there. But look at that, it's getting my fingerprints all over them. But super nice, kind of aggressive looking lug nut, cool tops to go with these beautiful wheels. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are wondering what the wheel spec is, and you guys know I don't gatekeep. So the fronts are going to be plus, and then the rear are going to be, nah, I'm just playing with you guys. So the fronts are 19 by 9 plus 30, and the rears are 19 by 10 plus 40. As you can see, that's a rear box right there. And the front label is on one of these boxes somewhere. This is a front wheel right here. So this is 9 wide. And yeah, so these should be very tight. I do have 35 millimeter sidewall tires for all of these, 225s for the front and 245s for the rear. So I'll show you guys them soon. I'm getting those mounted on to these wheels tomorrow. First order of business is to ceramic coat them. This is Armor Shield's Max ceramic coating. You guys know me, you know I like my Armor Shield coating. That's what my whole car is coated in. And this is their new Max coating. I've been experimenting with it a little bit, and it is very good. Super hydrophobic. As you can tell, it gets real. But that is what I am going to throw onto all these wheels. The faces, the lips, the barrel, so they're just so easy to clean from this point forward. So I am going to go ahead and do that. I am like pumped. This is surreal. Just realized my microphone was not turned on, so all those previous clips were my bare camera mic. So hopefully it's a little better from here on out. But I will see you guys in just a moment, and I will see you guys again with my microphone on this time. Okay, I got the wheels all ceramic coated. It's actually the next day now. They look insanely good. The more I mess with them, the more I see them, the more I love them. Someone just told me actually recently, I sent a picture to someone that I was talking to the wheels about, and they're like, hey, they kind of look like the OEM wheels on steroids. And yeah, that's actually a really good point. Like I said, I really like the split 5-spoke design. So these are kind of like a 3-piece version of those. So I'm super pumped to get them on. I'm getting the tires mounted later today. In the meantime, I'm going to throw on some Figs lower control arm bushings. So I already have RCF lower control arm bushings, which are a little bit stiffer than the OEM ones for the IS and GS and RC, whatever. But these are even better. So if you don't know, lower control arm bushings, stiffer ones, help reduce that inner front tire wear. They help keep a good caster adjustment for your alignment because we don't have caster adjustments. And they help with braking feel. When you're braking hard, it won't feel sloppy and squishy. It will feel very rigid. Now these are polyurethane, so they are super stiff. It comes with new bushing, as you can see, this blue guy here, and the whole bracket. It is super nice feeling. And Figs, as you can see here, Shop Figs. Figs is a great option for these. RR Racing also makes some, but I've heard great reviews about Figs, and so I'm gonna throw these on. It's fairly easy to install. It's like 45 minutes, so it gives me something to do in the meantime while I'm waiting to mount my tires, because I'm super pumped, so I kind of just need something to do. Okay, got the bushings done. Let me show you what they look like. I made a little bit of progress. I'm about to head to get my tires mounted. There is the bushing. I got an alignment also while I was gone, but yeah, I'm going to get my tires mounted. I had to get a U-Haul trailer because no way I was fitting all this in one car. So I got my wheels, new tires, and my current wheels and tires because I need to get that TPMS from these guys. But about to head to get them mounted. I might film there, I might not, because it is a dealership that my buddy's helping me at. So I'll see you in just a moment. Walking on All right, the tires are mounted. The TPMS sensors are swapped over, and I am ready to unload these and get them ready to put on my IS finally. She's looking bare, just sitting right there, but oh, I'm so excited to throw them on. I'm gonna unload everything and I'll get right back with you guys. Okay, I swear I'm about to put the wheels on, but I'm just coming back to the lug nuts I'm about to use. It comes with 3 tools, which is kind of cool. This first one is the regular hex tool that fits on these type of guys right here. And then they have the locking key tool. It has all these little spikes. And then this guy right here, it's kind of cool. It is what goes into this plastic piece. And you can unscrew it like that or screw it back in. And that's what protects it from the dust and dirt and whatnot. And it's just a cool little piece. Okay, I'm gonna start rolling the wheels out and we will get to it. Okay, I've never really had like stretched tires on any sort of wheel ever, so this is kind of cool to see. It's like the lip just pokes straight out of there. Yeah, these are definitely, oh my God, they look so good. Look even better when I throw the center caps in them. Oh, they are definitely lighter than before. That's pretty good fitment too. I was a little bit worried about these rears because they are 10-inch wide. So I didn't know how much they would poke and stick out, but they are a +40 offset, so It's kind of a shallow face. Compared to the fronts, you'll notice that they're a little bit more concave. So these are looking good so far. Get the special key on here. Now I'm not going to torque them down until it's on the ground, but I do want to tighten it a decent amount. Oh my God, it's looking crazy. And last but not least, the beautiful center caps. Get it lined up nice. It's not really gonna matter, it's gonna spin anyways. Yeah. Yeah, it looks complete now. Damn. And look at this from the back. Now, damn, look at that. So it's like almost perfectly aligned with the fender, but it goes in just a little bit. So I think once I set it down, it's gonna perfectly camber up there. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of them on. That was just a little display of this one, and I'll get back to you guys in a moment. All right, oh my gosh. So here we are. This is my ride height right here. I'm still messing with the air out. Don't worry, I won't leave y'all hanging. I'm gonna get the air out in this video. I'm gonna be doing it at a different spot. I gotta mess with it a little bit. Just from playing with it, the front is, I mean, all around is super tight. The rear gets really close, the lip gets really close to the fender flare, and it looks really good. Yeah, so I'm gonna drive it a little bit and then I'll mess with the air out more so I can kind of get my height and alignment back into spec, because when you have your car on jack stands or jacked up for a while, it can kind of mess with its actual height and actual camber and whatnot. So, but for now it is looking so good. It is so weird seeing it with wheels on. It's cool. The fronts, you can tell they're kind of a little more flat just because of the width to offset ratio. And then the rears are like, if you look at it from this angle, it's like all lip with a couple spokes sticking out, and then you have to go all the way in to see the hub right there. But it just looks insane. And the fitment is really good, as you guys can see. If you look right down, it's right at the edge of the lip. And this is ride height, so it's like, it's wild. Look at that. Yeah. So it's looking crazy. One little touch. It's the little things that matter, you know? It's the little things. So I'm gonna be taking off this Mini Vinyl Company sticker because they are no longer in business. And I'm going to be adding this nice SSR sticker, spec'd to fit perfectly in the height right there. Ooh, so I'm gonna throw that on. Got me a nice custom SSR sticker made by Canbo on Instagram. He runs Nspire, so if you need some decal help, contact him. But dang, yeah, the shiny lips on the wheels, it's bringing out the exhaust tips really nicely. Sorry if I'm out of breath. It's really hot out here, and I've just been going ham on this. My buddy Luke, 3IS Luke, got me debating switching my window trim out back to chrome instead of black, because it would kind of pull some chrome out of the side of the car a little bit to match the wheels. But I don't know, I gotta think about it. I kind of like the black, but I don't know, I'm a big fan of change as well, so we'll see. But I'm gonna throw this sticker on, and then I need to return that U-Haul trailer, and I'll catch you guys probably next with the air out. All right, here we are. I got my hub rings on. Everything is nice and solid. I've driven it for a good 60 miles or so. With stretch tires and the stiffer bushings I put on and a little bit bigger wheels, there's definitely a little bit more road noise and you can feel the road a little bit more, but it is totally worth it. A great trade-off. So right here is my like air out height right now. I want to mess with it a little bit more because I can definitely go lower. In the rear, definitely. The front I can, but right here on my fenders, these carbon fiber ones are a little bit more thick than stock ones, so it is almost touching there. And carbon fiber parts aren't always going to be perfectly consistent, because this side, it's, I don't know if you can even tell, but it clears. Like, I can air out onto the tire more. So this is the air out to kind of keep it even and consistent all the way around. The rears can go down a little bit more, but I kind of just have them tucking to the second step of the lip. So it's looking good. It's definitely looking better than ride height that you guys saw last. So I'm really enjoying how it looks right now. It is crazy seeing these wheels on the car. They are so shiny in person. And this lighting, You can really see how similar the black chrome and polished lips are. You can definitely tell the face is a little bit darker, but it's just like, whew. So this is how it sits right now. I am really loving the car. This just makes it 10 times more cool to me. I've wanted these wheels for so long. These are my dream wheels. I've been waiting so long to get them, and it's so nice to finally have them on and just see the car like this. It's crazy. So in the future, after I trim this fender a little bit more, I should be able to go lower. Maybe in the little bit more distant future, I'll get some suspension components, the 3 arms in the rear, some top hats for the front, and the top arm for the front, so I can pull a little bit more camber to tuck a little bit more in the front. Right now I have about negative 2.5 degrees of camber at ride height in the rear and about negative 1.5 in the front, and I want to pull that front to about negative 2.5 in addition to how the rear is. So that's kind of my plans for the future. I'm really in love with how it sits. From here on out, it's just maintenance and keeping it nice. Might do little things here and there, but I am just blown out of the water with this one. Trim the hell out of my fender. As you can see, there's much more clearance. It's very dusty, still need to clean it, but there's definitely a gap there now, and so I can now air out correctly, and then the back is all aired out. Everything is nice and even, tucking really deep, and it looks damn good. Yeah. None of this would be possible without you guys and your support, so I really appreciate you. If you guys have any questions at all, leave them in the comments. I'll be sure to answer them. I'm also always on Instagram at gray_3is. Send me chats, send me pictures, say hi, ask me questions, whatever you want. I'm pretty quick to respond on there as well. I hope you guys like these wheels as much as I do, but other than that, this has been Mr. Gray3is, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Walking on